choking? Oh my gosh. Oh no, she's passing out. Maggie. Kayla, call 911 and get an AED. Okay. Maggie is unconscious. Got it.
I just devoured.
Hello, 911. There's a person here unconscious, and I need somebody here ASAP. Okay. Send me your location. What's it at? Gotcha. I'll send all of my people to help you with your first aid.
Paramedics.
Okay.
And then I run out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
I got it now. This is an example of a child choking, and this is how me and Lauren handled it. First, we did the back blows, and then we did the Heimlich, and then when she went unconscious, I got someone to call 911 and grab an AED. She could get one. And then I started the compressions until the paramedics could get there to take over for me.